Dana, I didn't want to get your hopes up, okay? Not until I got more proof. And besides, to be real with you, I wasn't convinced that Valentine's intentions were pure.
I understand. Valentine is the master of mixed motives, right?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I truly believe he wanted to find my daughter, but he also wanted to change my mind about the divorce.
And that's exactly why I agreed to take the case. To protect your best interests.
What did you find?
Well, I was able to locate the man that Madeline used to broker your daughter's adoption. After talking with him, he was able to fill in some of the gaps. And then to Damien Spinelli, he was able to track down the money that changed hands to let us directly to Sasha Gilmore.
Led you to what? I mean, how did you contact her?
Email at first, and then we spoke on the phone.
You have her number?
Mm-hmm. And now so do you.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
Not yet. Is the boss around? No, she's in a meeting. Oh, good. That'll give us a chance to talk. About? I've been thinking that you've thrown yourself right back into Crimson. And with